Siya again dito sa Limgit kay Molding and 3C kabao ka mga elementary schools from public mga elementary schools ang nag-participate and they were tasked to perform two Christmas songs, both English and Bisaya. And today ang atoang mga champions will be performing once again sa ilahang contest piece. So we are very happy that once again we will be graced by our West City Central School Choral Group para mag-perform sa ilang winning contest piece. And by the way, ang mga kauban sa City Hall are also from West City Central School, nga mga proud nga mga graduates dito. Ako kauban diri, ang ang voice-over artist is from West City Central School. Proud kaayo siya nga apil man siya sa una, siguro sa choral group o sa marching band. Ingana siya ka-active. Champion sa DCA. And also our City Tourism Officer used to be a student of West City Central School. Appeal siya sa choral group and marching band. We're just waiting for our technical, mag-sample sila later, si Chrysler Kim and si City Tourism Officer sa ilang mga talents nga homegrown yun sila nga talents from West City Central School. Sure.
Hindi na makuha yung mga order rin gara.
Pasko de Oro 2024 would like to thank the following offices. City Administrator's Office, headed by Attorney Roy Hilario Raagas. City Budget Office, headed by Ms. Roxanne May Ravida, CPA. City Finance Office, Ms. Jasmine Maaga. City Accounting Department, Ms. May Gomez, CPA. City Engineering Department, Engineer Joel V. Momoma. City Public Services Department, Engineer Alan Villalba. Roads and Traffic Administration, headed by Engineer Donito Oclari. City Information Office, Mr. Ayan Fuentes. City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Department, Mr. Nick Habaga. Civil Security Unit, headed by Mr. Florencio Bagaypo Jr. City Economic Enterprise Department, Ms. Mary Sean Moli. City Agriculture Office, Mr. Paterno Gonzalez Jr. Liga ng mga Barangay, headed by Honorable Yan Lam Lee. For the Auto Trade and Investments Promotion Center, headed by Mr. John Asuncion. Night Market Management Committee, Attorney Jose Edgardo Egay Uy. Higalaay Holiday Market, headed by Ms. Dian Noble. We would also like to thank Clenro, headed by Engineer Armen Cuenca. We would also like to thank Cagayan de Oro City Police Office, headed by Colonel Salvador Radan. BFP Region 10 Cagayan de Oro Fire District, headed by Fire Senior Superintendent Rex Cliburn Salvania, and Task Force Oro. We would also like to thank Lazada, GCash, and City Tourism and Cultural Affairs Office, headed by Marky Halapad. Let us all welcome our Bangga sa Daigou 2024 champion, West City Central School, headed by Mr. Edgardo Yanez, along with their conductor,
may bingog mo. Nagka-train ba? Ba?
Kamot ka rin. Dati ka pa kundi sa mga kwan. Pasko.
Mo nila ni champion. Wis.
Ah,
Sila ra ni present.
wala.
Ha?
Wala. Wala.
May wagi makakuan sa karaan ba? Oh, kari ngaron manaygon kay ngani mga taon may mo tunon nimo jis ba na 5. Ha?
Eh, pinakata nga kanta brad na pamasko kalang ko Ginoo Maria. Sa mong barangay lagi.
Kadlawon bagin mamasko.
Sabi ka dugay mahuman. Masal lagi ikaw pamasko. Pamaskuhan na.
Maulaw ka matag og kuan ba?
Nagara ilang balay ka ng masapuyan.
Kaya lang magdagitar. Sabi ko dali ra mahuman kay lasay 5 media alasay sukod. Kapay lasa nila. Kasi
our Bangka sa Dagon 2024 champion, West City Central School.